nice to see everyone here. And ang ganda lang makita yung mga pagmumukha nyo with your dogs and your energy. Hep, hep! Bit! Ay, galing. Love the energy. It's so nice to see everyone here. Ang dami ko ding narinig na may mga taga Manila pa dito, taga-ibang bansa. Ay, may taga-ibang bansa ba? Charlotte lang. But if ever, amazing. It's nice to see your dogs here. Asan yung mga may dogs dito? Raise your hands. Ayan, raise your dogs pala. Kawawa naman yung aso. Yes, as you notice, wala dito yung honey chow ko. Wala siya kasi hindi siya pinayagan because of her breed. Kasi she's crossbreed. She's half chow chow and Japanese Spitz. And bawal daw pala siya i-fly. Pero I'll be running today 5 kilometers. So sa mga nag 5 kilometers dyan, see you. And she'll be with me in through spirit. Char. Ay! Ay, hindi, mali pala. Yes, pero it's nice to see everyone. This is the third leg of Aya, For the Love of Aya run. Yung first two is sa Manila. So, sa mga, I know meron dito naka-run na in Manila. Yes, it's so nice to see you here in Cebu, my beloved hometown. So, sana enjoy lang tayo today. And, take care. Sana mag-cooperate yung weather until the end. And thank God kasi kagabi umulan siya. So, I was so worried kagabi kasi baka uulan din this morning, tonight. This morning, pero wala naman. So, sana until the end, okay siya. So, ayun lang. And for this run, this is very special kasi Honey's birth month is July and it's a July this month. And also, usually kasi pag may concert kami and may free days kami after, I always like to do like something pang advocacy ko, like do a charity drive, donation, and this is it. And kasi we'll be going on a world tour then. So, for September, I won't be here in Manila. So, ito yung parang, kasi for my advocacy every month. So, before September, ito na yun. So, ayun lang. Sana enjoy tayo today! Yes, let's keep our energy up until the end. Sana may energy kayo until the finish line. Hindi naman super haba, hindi naman siya parang full marathon. So, kayang-kaya nyo yan, guys! Yes! Again, hep, hep! Okay, let's run! Yan! O, diba? Na-energize!
Sweat mo yan! Laban mo yan! Let's go! Hardcore move! Hardcore move! Pusong tumitibok, lungs burning pero di ako titigil. Sweat falling like ulan, body on fire. This is hard.
Hoy, wala hindi sayaw! Nagsige na ng video! Sayaw!
Every step I own the clock. No pain, no gain, yan ang patakaran. Hardcore move! Hari ng gym,
drumline press. No talk, just body response. Heat rise from chest to neck when they hit. No second guess.
Oh, sayaw na muli, ha!
Left side and you swing it back. One step, feel the pressure stack. No break when the bass attack.
Naubos na sayang! Ala, sayaw!
Let the time lock, no fear. When the system knock, everything shift. When the low end drop, front line in the back respond. Hands high when the groove prolong. No rush, let me ride along. Whole room swing when the beat stay strong. Push now, don't stop. Let it climb to the pressure pop. Hands up, locking every move tight on the drum line. Spin low, 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 spin low. Rock it low, rock it low, rock it low, rock it low, go. Rock it low, rock it low, rock it low, jump. Rock it low, rock it low, rock it low, go. Jump, rock it low. Your chest now. Now
Oh, ang kailangan natin yung sayaw. Giniyak yan sa video. Sabi ng SBC. Ala, sige! Kasikati, Mr. Bo! Come on! Ay! 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 One more! One more! Come on! Te, kailangan ng sayaw mag-stepping, te! Nag-listen na mga Gen Z, Millennial X! Oh, yan na. Single, double, double. Diba? Single, double. Ah! O, kukuha na nila. Yeah! Ito, perfect ate, oh. Hey, one more, eh. More pa. Last song na lang daw. Uy, kiat lang mo diha, Jai. Last song na ba yan, Jai? Ano, wagtang na noon. Na Bluetooth na wagtang na. That Bluetooth device is disconnected. Last song na lang daw. Sige, para mag-gun start na. Okay. Ayan, ito nyo na! Ganahan sila kasi nag-stepping. Ganahan sila na. And one more. Up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. So many. Okay. Okay, kaya nyo yan. Wala. Sabi na, patay yung kontra. Ano naman, X? Pinolo pa. Get ready na tayo, 5K runners! Together with Bini Aya! Coming forward to Joy! Kung pag mag-sumag, yumak na! Go in! O, lahat na! Ano ka man Ayan, palampakan naman natin, Coach John and Bini Aya, everyone! Sige! Catch mo na! Okay, everybody, ready na na? Okay, in 3. Don't forget to follow the road signages in our march. Ready? 2, 1, go!
Bahoy sa dayay. Among video puro.
Turn left pala. Ay, sorry.
Sige natin para raffle today. We will not begin announcing the raffle winners if dili mo mga nililapit sa stage, guys. Magi, dito madumog dito, no?
Congrats.
Gapo.
Number sir.
Sige.
131.
Runners, dali na mo, guys. Kaya mag-start.
Hi everyone! May I request everyone sa mga tapos na to be here in front because we will have a raffle! Oh, akala nyo run lang. May pa-raffle tayo. May pa-overnight stay with breakfast for 2 at Mercure and Savoy Hotel. Yes. Sa mga taga-Manila dyan, mapipilitan talaga kayo to come back here in Cebu kasi if mananalo kayo, if mananalo kayo sa overnight stay. May we request everyone to be here in front, please? Thank you so much. Kumusta yung run? Natapos yun naman, hindi kayo nag-shortcut, no? Baka nag-shortcut pala kayo, ah. Sino nga ulit yung 5 kilometers dito? Mostly nag-5 km, no? Sino nag-3 km? 1 kilometer with dogs. Sino mga may dogs ulit? Ayan, no? Wow, ang bilis ng dog niyo po, sir. Grabe, nakita ko. Sayang wala dito yung aso ko. Palaban din yan eh. Yes. Si Honey. Ayun, si Chow, nakita ko nga. Okay pa po ba kayo? Parang nakahinga po ba kayo? Naka-sneakers lang, tapos naka-tights pa, naka-skirt. covered pa lahat. Si Kuan, si Bini Maoy. Ay, joke lang Maloy. Sinan ko nga sa GC namin. Sabi ko, nasa Cebu ka na pala. Nag-run umagang-umaga. Okay, is everyone here? May we request everyone here sa front. And then yung mananalo will come up on stage. I think we start with Mercure Hotel. So, for the raffle, I'll just pick a random number. So, tingnan nyo na mabuti yung number nyo. Remember it? Because I will just call a random number. Okay. Sana mapili yung number nyo. May nagsabi yung number nyo. Sige nga, shout nyo yung number nyo. Tingin ako sa numbers. Sige, ready na ba? Okay. For the Mercure Hotel, will win overnight stay for breakfast with breakfast for two. Number 321. Sino dyan si 321? Please come up on stage or raise your hand, please. Ayan na, 321. Congratulations. Dapat yung number nyo din po ma-present nyo so we can confirm that it's your number talaga. 321. Hi! Saan po yung number nyo? Ayan, napunit na. Ayan, my proof. Very good. Thank you so much. And congratulations. Ano po name nyo?
I'm Alex.
From?
I'm from Lapu-Lapu City.
Wow! Yay! Sakto! Congratulations!
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si
palakpakan.
Alex! 3, 2, 1. Hey, congratulations!
Congrats!
Stay happy ka, Te! Happy!
Yes! Sakto taga Lapu-Lapu, Cebu!
Ayan. And then after this, 2 GCs from Savoy Hotel. But before that, let's welcome the Pet Relations Officer of Savoy Hotel, Sabi!
So cute!
Ayan, so
Chow-lung
nandito
daw.
na. Okay, hello Sabi! Ayan, I think ready na si Sabi for photo op. Alright, Bini Aya, let's go! Random number ulit.
Yes!
Okay.
Now we have 2 more GCs. Sino kayo mananalo? Okay. This one again is an overnight stay with breakfast for 2. So the winner is number. May nagsasabi ng number nila. Number 83! 83! Congratulations! Nakita ka na siya yan! Yay! You just won an overnight stay with breakfast for 2. 83!
Ang namin sa concert.
Hi! What's your name?
Picasso.
Oh, Picasso. From where are you from?
Cebu City.
Ay, puro taga Cebu! Congratulations!
Olar kayo. Congratulations, 83! Sayawi Sabi! Wow!
Okay. Last one na lang. Sana hindi taga Cebu para naman ma-experience ng hindi taga Cebu. Sino hindi taga Cebu dito? Ang dami ah!
Kay taga Mandawi ra daw.
Sino yan? Ba't nakamas? Sino yan? Si Colette! Naabot na rin si
Colette!
Colette! Pag si Maloy, ay, makulit! mananalo nito, dapat sasayaw siya. Dapat sasayaw siya. Kahit ano man yan na sayaw. Dapat sasayaw siya. Okay.
Yeah, masayaw ko. Promise.
Random number. Random number. May nagsasabi na, eto taga Florida. Eto taga Manila. Sige. Okay, for the last winner. Number 211. 211, come up on stage. Ayan, congratulations. Sasayaw na yan. Sasayaw na yan. Sasayaw na yan.
Ano, nitago si ate. 211. O, di ba? 5 p.m.
What's your name po? From? Southern Leyte. Ayan, perfect. Congratulations. Sasayaw na yan.
Sasayaw na yan!
Salamin lang. Mauwaw daw siya. Congratulations.
Picture na lang,
Photo
picture.
tayo here. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. That's it, guys. Congratulations again sa mga nanalo. Yay!
Alright. O, palakpakan naman natin raffle winners. And of course, is it okay po ba if included din si awarding na for the 5K winners. So, 2 winners per category. Andito na yung results. Here in my hand. So, tatawagin natin yung race number tsaka pangalan. Okay, unahin na muna natin si 5K muna or I'll just follow the list po. Miss Jels.
Magita niyo guro.
Okay. Unahin na muna natin yung 1K na solo runner. Asa ba yung mga 1K solo runners? Okay, congratulations for second place. Congratulations to number 132, Janina Depas. Janina Monica Depas, a 1K solo runner. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Andito ba si 132? Yes, andito si 132! Here's your certificate and medal. Sige, picture na muna sa gitna. Ayan, together with Bini Aya. Ay! Suyaan na mo, oy. Alright, and our first placer, 1K solo runner, with race number 293. Congratulations, Christine Castino! Now you will receive your certificate and medal from Bini Aya. Smile! Thank you so much! O, eto naman, 1K with pet. Second place goes to 185 Van Betito with Heidi. Okay, medal and certificate with prizes from Goddess. Okay. Okay, don't forget to check your certificates. Kay tanang winners na ay cash prize, makita ninyo sa iyong certificates inside. Okay? Alright, next. Our first placer for 1K with Beth. Race bid number 286. Anseto Cabalan with Good Bigay na natin yung certificate and medal with cash prize. Worth 25,000 pesos. Oy, Char. And to those who have pets, meron din prizes from Goodest. Ibigay na natin po. Sige, pa-picture muna nato ang kuan prize. Makita ra? Sige. Pwede pa assist, sir? Okay, thank you so much. Next, 3K solo runner. Second place, 153 Ricky Calano. Certificate with medal and cash prize. Balato! Alam mo, hot na siya. O, hot na siya, klaro kayo. Asuya na sad mi diri. Ah! Jojowain or totro tayo. Oh! Mataga! Oh, okay. Next! First placer goes to 003, Nico Ambito! Nico! Medal and certificate with cash prize. Asa daw si Nico? Alam mo po si Nico, guys. Alam, uy, bagay yun. Ah! Ay, shudi. 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 Walay heart? Wala kay heart? Ang ayaw? Heart, oy! Alright, next! 3K with bet! O, taga na to, Goodest. Asa tong Goodest? Daragang. Second place, 125, Rhea Grace Gonzalez with Taylor! So, dili. With Taylor, asa man to si Rhea Grace? 5, 4, basta shudi mo ari, tawag taglain. Sorry. 5 na, uy, kamu ba? Second place. Rhea Grace Gonzalez. 3K with bet. 32 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, so tanan nga first placer, please stand by there. Dapit sa stage, kanapay surprise. Tanan first placer. Okay, next. First place for 3K with bet. Race number 108, Shanine Duterte. Shanine Duterte with Shami. Sige, requesting all first placers to please head on here by the stage po. Natay surprise. Lahat na. Lahat ng first placer, Christine, Anseto, Nico, Shanine. Asa naman ni sila? Ari magarigan. Diba? Ready kayo, oy? Game. Picture, ka na. Wait lang sa first placer. Miss Shanine, dirin ta skilled miss. Next, asa naman to mga 5K runners? Second place goes to 135, Jane Andrew D. 135. 27 minutes and 56 seconds. Okay na, tuhod ka? Max kailan? Unlean plus Enerbon. Char, taka lang. Tugtuod ang ebang. Sige. Ah! Oh, selfie. Uy, buutan kay si Bini Ayan, no. Mag-accommodate yun ng picture taking as in. Next! First placer, 5K. With race number 184, congratulations to Ferris Ana Roque! O, 26 minutes na siya. Kung sabi buhaton ni mo gang, pasikati mi bi. Gang ali diri. Picture sa daw kay yang uyab naghuwat. Aw! Sige na yung gang, pa-picture da yun. Selfie da yun ko bang huwat pa mi. Asa ta ng first placer, please join us here on stage. Sige, asa na mga first placer, guys? Photo op and special gift from It's Ours. Dahil ako isulti yung tadang noon time show. It's Ours! Sige, here all the first placers. Uy, grabe, uy, humble kay si Bini Aya. Siya naghatag sa mga paper bags. Paswerte ba di Okay, tanan. Hindi mga first placer. Asan itong lista na to, be? Asan na? Dara. Kuha ka na ng tagusa. Kaya ba na jugo sleepy na mga OH pero papapicture sa ta, guys. Dara. Kompleto na ta. 293-286-003-108-184. Picture! One more. Sige daw. Palakpakan naman natin, everyone! All the winners! Daghan kayong salamat! Before we end the program, let us all hear a message of thanks from the representative of Bini Aya OFC, Miss Jels again, and our very own Bini Aya. Thank you, message. Go!
Hey everyone! Thank you again sa pagpunta dito kasi it's early. Nag-start tayo early. And sa energy nyo, of course, kasi this wouldn't be a happy day without your energy. Thank you so much for registering and for participating kasi this run is for a cause. Then we will donate the funds that we receive to Iro. So, I've been there. Ang ganda ng facility nila. And gaganda pa siya thanks to you guys kasi we would not be able to donate then if it wasn't for you guys. But most importantly, this run is also for everyone to promote then a healthy lifestyle para mag-run tayo ng mag-run. Kasi ako din personally, I love running. And ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-run kasi busy din ako sa Manila actually. So, it's nice to be able to run again kasi sa Manila, nag-run ako sometimes pero treadmill lang. So, it's nice to be out in the sun. And thank you kasi nag-cooperate yung yung weather. It's a bright, sunny day. It's a good day today. So, more reasons to smile. So, keep smiling, guys. Thank you sa mga nag-cheer, hindi lang sa akin, but to everyone. I see everyone cheering each other. So, thank you so much for that energy. And also, I'd like to thank Team Aya, guys. Yung team ko, tatlo sila andito. They're from Manila pa and from Davao. Si Jel, si Gio, and si Ate Sai. So, thank you so much kasi nag-absent pa to. Yes, they flew all the way she flew from Davao pa, guys. Give them a big round of applause naman. Grabe sila. Nag-effort sila. Kami din yung tumpi pa, the night before. Yes. I'd also like to say thank you again, Bini Aya Official, Advocacy, JNE Events, the Mactan Newtown Beach, Savoy Mactan Newtown. Thank you sa overnight stay as raffle prizes. Also, Savoy Mactan Newtown, Mega World Lifestyle Malls, it's ours. Enervon, the Cebu Island Rescue Organization, Mercury Hotel Mactan for the thank you din for the overnight stay. Bioderm Bloom and Goodness. Thank you to our sponsors. Thank you everyone.
a group photo. Ay! Sana ba yung ano ko? Yung Team Aya official admins. Let's have a group photo naman. Ate Sai. And Kuya Gio. Let's go! Na-busy pa sila. Para ma-meet niyo sila, guys. Sila yung galing pa ano. Sila yung galing pa sa Manila. Nagbebenta sila ng merch right now. Ayan sila, tumatakbo. And guys, yung ano din namin, yung caps, it's ours. Nagbebenta din kami. It's our very first booth for today. Buy now. Ay, promote.
Ayan, i-welcome naman natin our
Ano?
admins.
Human ani. Sige, salamat.
Okay, eto na yung mga
And
admins.
these are my admins, guys. Super supportive nila. Oh, photo muna kami.
Tapos sa crowd naman. So, ang mga natiris, Shudi Kalipa. O, sige, move a little bit dito sa center. O, ayan. Photo. Sige, go, go, go. Just squeeze in so that everyone can fit in the frame. Yung mga nasa likod, sana yung official photographer natin? O, sige, ayan. Lahat na. Squeeze. Siyempre, kasali si Oka.
Oh, appeal mo, guys.
Uy, makita akong taler. Wabi ko, manti. Alright.
Shudi.
Smile! One more, guys! Smile! Wave! Say
Wait, senior.
Okay, thank you, guys. Damor, mag-birthday na ako.
Lagi, oy!
Thank you
Nagandang
again.
salamat, Bini, Aya, and of course, the admins. This wraps up the third leg of For the Love of Aya here in Cebu. Daghang salamat to all our event sponsors, venue partners, and of course, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon sa Cebuanos, and of course, sa lahat ng mga galing pa ng Manila, lahat ng galing pa ng Mindanao, kahit pa sa ibang bansa. Maraming salamat po. Hey! Miss Aya, ako naman!
Bye, Aya.